Hey guys, today at powerjackrepair.net we have an HP laptop, HP 15t-ae000, and the model is found right here. Yeah. So here we got a broken jack right there. Basically, if you can see the pins, here. You see there are some pins in there. Pins meaning the jack is broken. So what you do is you unscrew all the screws around here. Unscrew this screw, pull out the CD-ROM sideways, and there are two screws right here that also need to be unscrewed. And now is the tricky part, because I don't think we ever had this laptop here before. By the way, it says NV right here, so HP NV15, I guess. That's the model of the laptop. So let's see if we can open up this guy. Maybe there could be some screws under those. Yep, there are some screws there. So we remove this guy. No, there is no screws there. Alright, so don't remove it. The smartest thing. I was thinking, I saw the hole there, I figured it's a screw hole, but no, it's not. Ought to be just a hole. Right, so let's try and take it apart. Okay. Don't want to damage the aluminum casing, so let's try it via okay. Alright, wonderful. Take it out like that, and like that. Alright, so here we got the jack right there. So the good thing, it's not. Yeah, the bad news is that we need to remove the motherboard to get to the jack, unfortunately. So here, that's the jack, right? Maybe. No, there is no way. Okay, so let's unscrew. Okay. Screw that guy. Let's see if it's gonna come out now. And no. No, okay, it does come out. Okay. Okay, so we need to get to that screw, but unfortunately, the motherboard is blocking the access to that screw. So for some reason HP didn't make it easy for us to remove it. Plus there's a hinge right there that covers it, so that's a long way to fix it. So let me power up the soldering iron and keep looking how I'm taking it all apart. So here, okay. Now first I want to just disconnect the battery, which is right here. Disconnect the battery like that, pull it out. Now disconnect the hard drive right here. Pull out the cable. that. Remove the hard drive as well, because well, you might not want to remove the cable if this cable is not that sticky. Don't want to bend the cable too much. Alright, so here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Okay, remove the battery. Now we have an easy access to all of the cables here. Like that, like that, like that, like that. Alright, wonderful. Another cable right there. Okay. This swap is gonna be sitting right there. Okay. Okay, alright, so here we need to mark the cables. Which one goes where? Pull out like that. And here we need to unscrew this here. Right here. Alright, so this goes upwards. Like that. Like that. Couple of screws right here. Right here. Alright, let's pull out the LCD cable. Like that. Like that. Take off the SSD. Remove this screw. So far we got a screw right here. Screw right there. Okay. Okay. Subject. Anything important? Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, nothing important there. Alright, so like that. Like that. And here we got to the jack again. The jack is broken because you can see that the pins are there. And let me show you how it's supposed to look like in a second. Hold on. Alright, so that's how it's supposed to look like right here. You see, these pins should not be broken. So now we have to see which wire goes where and solder everything in exactly the same fashion. Alright, so we got the okay, so the wires are going this way. It's very important because there is limited space under it. So here, this wire is red, this wire is black, this is white, this is gray, and this is, I guess, yellow. That's how the back of the jack basically looks like. So red, gray, black, white and yellow. Okay, so let's try to open this guy up and see if any of the wires are not the way how they're supposed to be. I mean, maybe I didn't see the color because the yellow color of the glue sometimes hinders the real color of the cable. Okay, so here remove the insulation. Yep, that's not so much gray, it's more brown. No, brown, yeah, brown. This wire right there is brown. Red, brown, black, and then we got the yellow on top and white on the bottom. Alright, so let me remove a little bit of tape right here. Okay. Okay. Okay, almost good. The only thing is the brownish cable is a little bit too close to the red one. So I need to remove some solder. Yep, like that. Okay. Alright, and because the fumes are harmful, I have to let it sit there and dry for quite some time. But either way, that's pretty much all of your steps that needed to fix the power jack on this HP laptop. There is really nothing else that's required. So the tape, the liquid tape, takes about 20-30 minutes to fix. So I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna keep the camera rolling because the camera doesn't have a pause. So, but I mean, once we put the new jack in right there, it should be working fine. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching, and you have a good day, and leave a like. That's pretty much the way how you repair the jack. Put everything back together the way it was, and you should be fine. Thank you.